Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So for you guys today, I'm going to be showing you how I got this look because it is an all green makeup look, and I'm doing this because we can't go outside right now. I mean, like, we can't leave our house, and it's another one of my stuck inside tutorials. So that being said, if you guys enjoyed these types of videos, please do not forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. I would very much greatly appreciate it if you did. I am trying to hit 200 subscribers, and when that happens, I will be doing a giveaway. And yes, so other than that, the only other thing I have to say is please do remember the fact I am not a makeup artist. I never claim to be. I don't try to be. I just do this for fun and because I really, really, really like makeup. And with that being said, let's get into the video. Okay, so I just did the rest of my base products. All I have left to do are my eyes, highlight, and lips. And if you guys have been watching my declutter series, you know I do not have a green highlighter. So for a green highlight, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my Alien palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. And I'm going to use the shade Pluto, which is like this light green right here, mixed with this slightly darker green shade right here, Interstellar. I'm going to put that on all of the areas where I would normally highlight. So let's do that. This is a Morphe Jeffree Star collaboration brush. I don't care. This poor palette has been through it. Okay, so there's some pigment on there. And then, oh yeah. So obviously if you have a green highlighter, you don't have to do this. But I'm pretty sure any green eyeshadow that you have would also work for this step. I just know that Jeffree's formulas for eyeshadows are really, really crazy pigmented, and I also have done this before where I've used like Pluto for a highlight. Did that even go on that side? I can't see it. A little bit. Okay, let's do more. Sorry. Oh yeah. It's not picking up very well on camera as well as like what this side is, but this part is definitely there. Hey, that actually looks kind of good. Okay. And then I'm just going to go in with, I'm going to put a, what do I want to do? So, go back in, and then kind of just drag that down my nose here. Bam! And then, I don't normally put like a ton on my upper lip, but I'm going to do just a smidgen bit. So there's the highlighter. You go in there, and you can sit back in there. And then for eyeshadow, what I'm going to be using is something that is an actual palette. Like, you can still get this palette. I've just depotted it into a magnetic palette. So I'm going to be using the Just My Luck palette from ColourPop. And it's in my magnetic palette like this. But it's these 6, 7, 8. It's basically like this row right here for the most part, and then some out of this row. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put down an eye primer really quick. This is not it. Hold on. This one. This is the Milani eyeshadow base. And I'm just going to squeeze some onto my finger. And then kind of just put some on my lid. like that. So now that we have the eye primer down, I'm going to go in with, I'm sorry if I keep moving in and out of frame too. Oh yeah, that is good stuff. I'm going to go in with the lightest matte shade right here from that palette on a fluffy brush like this from Wet n Wild, and just to get some shadow on there, and then I'm just gonna put that all over in my crease as like a transition shade. Just make sure you blend really well. Can you guys even see? I cannot tell it. So there's definitely color there. Okay, so and then for the next color, the one I'm going to use is this darker green shade right here, and I'm going to put that on. I'm actually going to put that in like the same area as I just put that lighter color, using the exact same brush. Like that. It's really... Oh yeah, like that. And then kind of just, if you can, I mean, you really shouldn't tug at your eyes, but I kind of just run my finger, oh so gently, right through there. Okay, so there's that. Okay, so I did both of the eyes now, and does anybody else have like just an easier time doing one side of their face than the other? I always have an easier time doing this side than I do this side, but this side is usually the one that's easier to see on camera, so I don't know what to do. Anyway, moving on. The next thing I want to do is just put a little bit of a darker, deeper shade on the outside corner so that it's more emphasized. So for that, I'm going to use this brush. This is a Wet n Wild brush from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to go in with... what color do I want? Really, there's only one deeper shade in this palette. So this shade right here, it's almost the exact same, but this one is just a touch, and I mean just a touch darker. And it also has like sparkle in it, but it's not like a shimmer shade. It's got glitter in it, but it's not glittery, if that makes sense. Hold on. Okay, so I have some on my brush, and I'm just gonna very carefully kind of pat that on to the outer part and kind of just sweep some into the crease. Just make sure you tap off the excess because that's a very dusty shade. You see that? Like that. And then I'm going to take what's left on the brush right now and kind of just do the lower lash line. Like that. And then I'm going to go do the other side really quick. Okay, so I did this side and I smoked out the lash lines on both. Now the only thing left to do is add like a shimmery shade across the lid. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with this color right here, and I always just use my finger. Trying to just get some on there, and then I don't know how well you guys are going to be able to see this part, but whoa, yeah, just like that. So there's that. And now on to the thing that like inspired this whole shebang. Oh, hold on. Sorry. I gotta find it really quick. Where are you? This eyeliner from Shop Miss A is a gel eyeliner. I mean, it is $1, so it is very affordable. But it is in the shade Forest Green, and I kind of wanted to do a whole green look because of it. So never used it before. I've used ones like it, but not this exact same thing. So there's what it looks like, and then I'm gonna do this part off camera, or no, okay, just hold on. Be patient with me. Does that help? I think that helps a little bit. But there's what that looks like. It went on really easily. It went on really smooth. Wasn't difficult or pokey or anything. So if you guys are looking for like a good cheap gel eyeliner, I would check Shop Miss A. What else do I have left to do? Eyebrows, mascara, which I will do off camera really quick. Okay, so unfortunately, as of right now, I do not have a green lip liner. I do have a green liquid lipstick from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. This one is in the shade, I think, Crocodile Tears. So this is what I'm going to be using as lipstick today. It'll kind of go with the eye look. I hope it does anyway. So So, here's what the lipstick looks like, because it was really boring to watch me put it on. But yeah, that is what, let me move in front of naturally really quick. So this is what the look looks like all done. You can barely see the highlighter I used because it's just getting kind of like washed out from the sun. But overall, I think I did pretty good. I don't normally go like this dark or this bold. That lipstick is nice. I think I kind of look like a servant or grass come to life. I don't know. Grass come to life. Shanna, what the heck is wrong with you? But anyway, you guys, that is today's video. If you enjoyed it, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. I would very much greatly appreciate it if you did. And don't forget to subscribe, because I will be doing a giveaway when I get to 200 subscribers. And with that being said, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Bye.